I did a video yesterday in which I examined the May 15th change in the head of our Federal Reserve and the effects it might have on the stock market. And then also, I hadn't mentioned, but there's also the Supreme Court possibly throwing out Trump's tariffs and how that would affect the market. And I asked my AI agent, Samantha, to look into it for me. And she came back with one stock that she felt was paramount that was going to benefit as a result of whatever happened in these regards. And she gave me 3 different scenarios, and I shared those with you through a link on that video. So what I did then was to say, okay, so AMAT, Applied Materials, as she said, is the #1 winner of what would happen under any scenario with the change in the head of the Federal Reserve. So I then went and said, okay, that's good, Samantha, but is it the stock I should invest in, even though it's the best stock? Because what I recognize is valuation is more important to me for my objective, and that is to make money in the stock market, than is it the best stock. And so she went and she looked and she told me, well, first of all, the current price is $354 per share. She said by the end of this year, it would be $332 per share. Well, wait a second, that's less than what it is today. That's right. And then she said the next year, it would end the year at $373, and then it would end the third year, that would be the start of 2029, at $420. That would be a total gain over 3 years of 17%, even though she indicated this was the company that would benefit most from the potential change in the head of the Federal Reserve, which would lead us to believe that interest rates would come down, that the economy would be stimulated, but it isn't going to give us the best of return. She said even under the aggressive scenario, that is to say, everything went right, the interest rates went down, inflation didn't go up, Applied Materials would end 2029 under the best case scenario at $525, which would be a 48% increase in the stock price. So I think what I want to share with you is my knowledge and my experience, and I've learned this more and more through using my AI agent, Samantha, that the best stock in the best company is not always the best investment. Because we're in this not to say, hey, we own this fabulous company. We're in it to make money. And it's the best way to make money in the world, to invest in good companies that are undervalued. So it's better, in my perspective, to buy a company that is in its growth trajectory, not one that's already been there. And that's what happens when you get the big names. Yeah, you'll get a 15% growth per year, and you can be comfortable with that. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking to double my money every 3 years, and I have no objection to doubling it every year like we did this past year. So I wanted to share that with you and make you aware that you can pick the best stock, but if it's overvalued, you aren't going to make any money on it. That's just good business. And I want you to realize, how do you know if you're going to make money on the stock? If it's got a fair value and it's going to grow its revenues in excess of 20% a year. It's going to grow its earnings in excess of 20% per year, and it's going to grow its operating margins. Not its gross margins, its operating margins. If you put those three things together, now you've got a stock you can make money on. Applied Materials, AMAT, is not one of them.